Okay, the quick way to find out if your coil packs are going bad, you start your engine, or you can pull the boot off first and sit it on the side. If it's sparking out, the coil pack's good, people. And even if it's not sparking out, if you put the wire close to it and it sparks over to the wire, the coil pack is good. Anyway, that's the brilliant deduction I came up with. I've changed these two. You can tell that one's corroded where the where the boot broke off, and down in there you can see corrosion too, and it broke too. Anyway, folks, the easy way: pull your spark plug wires. If it's shooting sparks out, you're good. And you all stay tuned. People, this only applies to the 6.2 Superduty or Raptor motor with 16 spark plugs. Anyway, stay tuned. If you like, subscribe, and have a Superduty day.